Morning, guys. We are at Enchanted Rock Nature Preserve, State Park.
Yeah, State Park, I think.
Home of Little Rock, and it's in Texas. I don't know where because I was sleeping all morning while Evan was driving. But yeah, there's some really cool trails. It's gonna be super fun. Cactus.
Your what?
Another heart cactus. So it got really hot really quick. So I took my sweatshirt off underneath here.
So we've made it up, what? Like a third, maybe, or a quarter of the hike. And we've already derobed. I guess I'm down a layer and Jade took her hoodie off. So now we got more stuff in the backpack.
So it's a little heavier.
A little heavier. Those tadpoles? What are those little things?
I don't know if you can see this, but see how they're all in this one corner here?
Yeah.
See, there's like, I don't know, 50 or 60. And then if you look down even further, these little, they look like little rocks almost, but these little guys right here, they move around. Those must be the little eggs. What are they? They're brine shrimp, I bet.
That's so weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the last thing I'd expect up here.
I want to see if my phone can pick this up.
It's pretty steep.
Yeah.
It's one of those moments where you want to just like run down it.
No.
You know? No, I know, but it feels like that.
Well, just please be careful.
You know, when you're on like a big sand dune or something?
Yeah, okay, sand dune is sand. This is concrete. Or like, I mean, you know, rough ass rock. You get so torn up if you did that.
You just tuck and roll. Slide down.
Imagine if you had like the lid to a garbage can.
It's weird putting the camera like parallel, or the horizon parallel. It's so steep. Oh, and it's only getting steeper, it looks like.
So we're climbing up that, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm glad that we like blazed our own trail instead of going back around.
Yeah.
But no one knows we're over here, so if something happens.
Nah, we'll be fine. We're gonna walk up there, all the way up there, and then we're gonna eat sandwiches. Sound good?
Yep.
Don't do anything you're nervous about.
Okay.
Did we make it to the top?
Can we?
No, I said, did we?
I think the top's right here. This is the top, honey.
We made it. Time to celebrate with some sandwiches?
Yeah, let's find a nice spot though.
All right, so we made it up to the top. We had our sandwiches. Got any thoughts?
It's just really, really cool. I was a little bit sketched out at first because it's like there's no paths on the map. Like you're not allowed to like climb up here.
Well, it doesn't say that.
It does.
No, it doesn't say that.
You're not supposed to veer from the path.
I bet you
Huh.
I bet you dinner that it doesn't say that.
That you're not supposed to veer from the path?
Yeah.
Or that you're not supposed to climb up this sketchy ass mountain?
That either. Either. It says it's not recommended, but it doesn't say you're not supposed to.
So not recommended doesn't mean you're not supposed to?
Yeah, like they don't recommend doing it, but they're not like, it doesn't say you're strictly not allowed to do it. You know, there's a difference.
What if I ask someone who works here and they say no? Does that count?
No. It
But
doesn't
that
count.
means you're not allowed.
That means that they don't want to have the liability to say yes personally.
What if I ask them, do you personally not want the liability to say yes? Or is
I
that
don't
a
know.
rule?
You can ask them whatever. I don't think you'll ask them that.
Okay.
You won't ask them that. You won't.
Yep.
Look at you.
Dinner's
You
on.
won't.
Dinner's on.
You won't. Please drink your water.
You drink some water. We gotta get down.
Okay, let's get going.
It's kind of frustrating that you can never tell how steep things are, like actually are on camera.
Then how did we, just down here? Come on, hiking boots, don't fail me now. Oh yeah. Imagine falling down this.
Oh my god.
Just rocks and cactuses.
No.
So, when Jade changed, she took off her sunglasses and she left them on a rock. So now, we split up and we're trying to find that rock. So, there's a couple to choose from. You know, there's one right there. There's one right there. So I don't know, hopefully we'll find them. You think this is the trail we were on? Yes. Oh, success.
That's so cool! Thank you! Yeah.
So we just made it back to the van. That was really cool. Was it Enchanted? Enchanted Mountain? Or
Enchanted Rock.
Enchanted Rock. But yeah, if you're in the Texas area, I don't know where we are in Texas.
I don't know where we are. We drove for like 2 hours and I was sleeping.
But if you're here in Texas, right here, where this says in Texas, you should definitely check it out. It's totally worth a visit.
Yeah, it's very, very cool.
It's a good time.
What was your favorite part?
I don't know. I was really excited to find your sunglasses.
Yeah,
I didn't think that
cool.
we'd be able to find those.
I mean, I thought for sure someone might have picked them up or something.
Yeah.
They're not that special, but they're more special now. I think my favorite part was getting up to the top of there and having a little kiss and
Sandwiches.
Sandwiches, the view, gorgeous, the wind, everything. It was really cool. It was fun.
But yeah, it was a good time. Where are we headed next?
I have no idea.
Yeah, me neither. But stay tuned and you'll see where we go.
You'll know when we do, I guess.
Yeah.